Never have I ever cheated on a partner.
Oh. Hi. Alright, so this is the first time we're gonna do a video like this. I'm excited.
She's very excited.
And I smell liquor. I'm smelling the liquor. Can I see it?
So basically Shen wants us to drink on camera. That's basically what she told me. This is all her idea.
Actually, you were the one who said you wanted to do this video. Stop acting. Stop playing.
She gave me a list of stuff
playing.
and I was like, yo, whatever. And she's like, okay. So she have some stuff. What is that?
That's yours and this is mine. Alright guys, so we're playing Never Have Never, I can never say that.
Never have I ever. It's not hard.
It's a tongue twister. Never.
No, it's not a tongue twister.
Never have I.
Never have I ever.
I'm too Jamaican.
And we have to not forget left you. I'm not dealing with nobody who say hi in the wrong context.
What?
Like you're going to be like my hi.
I never do that.
You just said never have I
Never
ever.
have.
Never have I ever. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. Anyways, ready.
First question. So, I found some random questions online, and because I wanted it to be a surprise. So we're going to learn some things about each other.
I think so.
You nervous?
No, I'm not a bad man. Alright, so I guess I have the first question.
No, we're both drinking. It's what we do. It's what we drink.
Yeah, but I have the first question. Oh, so it don't matter who asks the question. Oh, I got you. See, I never even know how the game works. Alright, so question 1. Never have I ever cheated on a partner.
Oh. Not on each other. Never on each other.
Don't we have to drink now?
Oh shit. Wait, can I, before I drink this, Johnny Walker, can I have something else to drink? Because I can't be chugging,
Drink the thing now, man. And stop.
No, I'm not. Wait, you chugged the entire thing?
Yeah.
So I done you the plan for done this?
So.
No, I'm taking a sip. I'm not like, I don't know.
So both of us have cheated, not on each other.
Never on each other.
I guess
Never.
so. We don't know, but
Never
I knew we were meant to be. Alright, question 2. Never have I ever gone skinny dipping.
Alright, skinny dipping as in completely nude?
Completely nude.
I did like a half version of it, but I wasn't completely nude. So what do I put up both?
I don't know. But
You
I
were
have,
completely nude?
yeah, in a river.
With who? You and them girls or you and your brethren?
Why the hell would I be naked with brethrens? That's gay.
I think it was like a date scene or just like a bag of, like, I imagine that being like a bag of friends.
No, who goes skinny dipping with a bag of friends? Who does
Mine was
that?
with a group of friends. It was guys and girls, but we were just like in our underwear. We weren't completely.
No,
naked.
no.
So
Me and the person
y'all
was.
got it on.
So, anyways, I have. So since I have, I guess I have to drink.
Okay. Third question.
Never have I ever faked sick from work.
Boss watching this? Never.
My boss knows say yo. I'm sorry, go Gucci. Alright, so me again.
Oh, I've only drank once.
His next question. Never have I ever cheated on a test. Bro.
Oh no, you're doing the most. No, you're a boy, so I expect
Cheated
you.
on a
That's
test?
right, guys. I've never done that.
We are dealing. We are dealing.
I've never done that.
No man,
No.
what you do when you yeah man, you hurry up when y'all get the test paper
I
from.
always study for dirt and dirt. If I'm going to fail, I'm just going to fail.
No sir. Sometimes I have to cheat in a life, you know what I mean? And not everything fair.
Anyways.
Eh, you ask some.
Okay. You start feeling now.
Ah, what? This is not going well for me, guys.
Never have I ever played strip poker.
This is not going well for me.
It's the internet, you know, don't blame me. The internet picked these questions for you.
By the time I'm done, I'll be stone drunk and the buckle of liquor. What we go Phoenix Johnny Walker buckle. You know what, I just give pour a good amount and just take my sips because obviously these questions were tailor-made for me.
Never have I ever drunk dialed my ex. I have to think about this one. I've never.
Not that I can remember.
Step ball.
Yeah, but
I feel the pain.
yeah, but I'm going to be honest. It's not that I can remember. I don't know if I ever.
I don't think I have either. So I'm saying I have never.
No, maybe.
I think I'm winning. Who wins? Who would?
Right. I don't know.
Where did I work? Never have I ever had a one night stand.
You've never had a one night stand?
Hold on.
You've like never ever had a one night stand?
A one night stand is, hey, I just met you, and they go home together and they sleep.
I just met you.
You've met someone and you
sleep
slept with them at the exact same time?
Yeah, it happened once when I was way younger.
Okay, I've never. Good girl.
Met the person at Quad. Yo, remember Quad? Yo, Quad did bad back in the day, you know?
Never have I ever read a partner's text messages.
Oh, I'm trying to remember when it was. I know I did.
I feel like you did, but you just don't remember when.
No man, I did have a suspicion of a girl one time, and yeah, messages didn't come in too often, so I just take out like I never open the phone, but I see the preview text. I'm a prips it and I say,
oh no, I've done that. That's
so
what I did.
that'll go on. So
okay.
Do I have to? But hey, drink now, my girl. You have. Me want to go tipsy. This game is not going good for me, guys. Like I think it's mostly one or two things alone. I never drink one.
I'm actually sweating.
Yeah, liquor run through your veins, you know. All right, let me sit up here, so. Never have I ever been nude in public. Who does that? I'm not a streaker.
You mean like
nude in public, like no. What were you thinking?
No, nothing.
What did you do?
Okay.
I like where you're just like, okay. Never have I ever gotten busy in a public place. And this is crazy.
Hold on. What do you call a public place?
I don't know, like a parking lot.
Oh.
Like movie theater. I mean that Jamaica this upon that just funny rigs. Drink now, my girl.
Oh.
I like how she always forgets to drink. You notice like her one drink has lasted her the whole time.
Never have I ever kissed the same sex.
Yeah, y'all know how I go,
We're not going to dwell too much on that, but
y'all know how I go, bro. But no, nothing big that.
We're not going to dwell too much on that.
Most women do the little chups thing there, isn't it?
Never have I ever dated or hooked up with someone 10 years ago. Put up your something. Put it up. Put this in your hand. Put it in your hand firmly. Hold it up firmly. Let me repeat the question. Never have I ever dated someone 10 years older.
It didn't say dated. It said dated or hooked up. If it was dated, then whatever.
What? I thought it's the same thing. You had enough.
Me drink enough now, man. Jeez and peas. Me drink the whole game. That's not right. So I'm a bit alright, so me could take the last. By the way, customized glasses that were given to me by my boo. I think 2 birthdays ago though. Yeah. Wow.
Do I have to drink this?
Yeah, man, I have to finish that.
Oh my god.
From 1, 3. 1, 2,
3. Alright guys, I hope you liked our video. Please remember before you go, if you watch it to the end, please like, please subscribe, please share with a friend.
Yay! Peace!